Hey guys, I'm Ethan Moore from Stockroom Supply. Today I want to show you another way or another option for a center point on your simple circle cutter. So the guys, the one that you guys already all use and know is just a simple finishing nail there that'll go in the center, which works really well. Now if you're not careful, especially on a large piece when you're trying to position it over top of the hole and line things up, there's potential if that's a little bit loose that could fall out. Another way you guys can do it is if you use a number 4 screw. I have a 1/2 inch long one, but that screw will actually fit really nicely inside that collar. So it allows you to use a screw rather than a nail. So if you can see that there. So what that means is when you're putting it in the center of a piece, it's got it unscrewed there, it is going to be far less likely to fall out because that's actually screwed in place. So you could bump that around, move it around, and get that lined up to wherever you want it to without having to worry about that moving. So it's just another way to mount a piece in the simple circle cutter just with a number 4 screw. So yeah, if anybody else has any questions, you can email me at info@stockroomsupply.com or just comment on the video. And if you want to see future videos, make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell button. Thanks for watching.
Ethan,
Yes.
is there a reason why we include the nail? Is there an advantage to the nail?
It's just faster, I suppose. The nail, you can switch between pieces a little bit quicker and take it in and out a little bit quicker without the need of a screwdriver or anything like that. I'm going to start including a screw in all of them as well, though. That way customers have both options right off the bat.
Cool.
Yeah.